Okay, I need to thread the bobbin on this little Brother machine Project Runaway, the limited edition. So I got the bobbin out of here. There's a little thing and it flips that up. And then I have my string down here. Otherwise you would put your bobbin right here, the big bobbin of thread. And it says go through number 1. Oops, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And then number 2 is around here. And then this is 2, I guess. And then you want it to come around that loop and then around, see that? And then you're going to come to number 3, to the bobbin. Okay, I'm holding the string right here, the bottom piece, otherwise it's just going to come out. And I want the thread to go around the outside. So it's coming around this way, and I'm holding on to this, push this like this, push that together, and there's the end of the string. And I'm just going to turn it on, and it's filling. I'm just going to let it fill. Filling up. It should stop when it gets done. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, now I'm going to thread my bobbin. So I push this little thing to the side, and then this comes up, a little plastic cover, and then it has a visual. So this is not how the way it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go this way, with the string coming this way. Do you see that? So I'm going to put that in, and it's just going to go, you just follow it around. Just take it, follow it around, there you go. Then I'm going to put my cover on, and now to bring this thread up on the bottom, close this, it's closed. And then just turn this down, and that should have brought up the thread. Did it? There it is. Oops, there it is. Now I have both of them, and it's ready to go.